The defense has now rested its case in the trial of a Dallas doctor accused of poisoning IV bags. They went fairly quickly. Andrea Lucia has been on the case since day number one inside the federal courthouse and stepping out every day to give us an update. So along the way, you weren't really sure if Dr. Raynaldo Ortiz would end up taking the stand in his own defense. Ultimately, he did not, correct?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, even today we were hearing that Dr. Ortiz hadn't yet made up his mind. I talked to a family member of his who came to support him today, who said it was likely in the last minute, really. He chose not to. I'm not really clear how it would have played into his defense's strategy. His attorneys have focused on really trying to poke holes in the prosecution's case. This morning they called their own expert anesthesiologist to the stand, Dr. BobbieJean Sweitzer, who suggested different causes other than poisoning for the complications suffered by patients at Baylor Scott & White Surgicare Center in North Dallas in the summer of 2022. She contradicted the prosecution's witnesses by saying that surgical complications are really not uncommon. She even testified at one point that surgery and anesthesia are the third leading cause of death, a shaky claim the prosecution really hammered her on. Neither the CDC or World Health Organization, by the way, list those among the top 10 causes of death. Another witness criticized the testing that determined there were drugs present in IV bags at the surgery center, and yet another defense witness discussed a fingerprint found on one of these IV bags that did not belong to Dr. Ortiz and was never tested against any other potential suspects. Tomorrow we expect to hear closing arguments in the morning. The case will then go to the jury, and we will be here waiting on their decision. Reporting live in Dallas, Andrea Lucia, CBS News, Texas.